Continuing with the Church's seasonal Marian antiphons, the next one is the Ave Regina Caelorum. And this is for the time beginning after Christmas and throughout Lent. So traditionally, February 2nd ends the Christmas season. So this is for that time after Christmas and before Lent, as well as all the way through Lent to the end of Lent, that is Holy Thursday. And this antiphon has been around since at least the 1100s. Now, when you're learning Gregorian chant, the first things you want to do are to understand what it means and how to pronounce it, because chant is written for the purpose of praying the text. And so it really starts with the text, with the Latin. And good Gregorian chant is written to augment the theology of the text as well as the spoken word, the accents of the Latin language, the rhythm of the Latin language, especially this kind of chant, which is primarily syllabic chant. So anyway, let's start with understanding the text and then pronouncing the text. Ave Regina Caelorum means Hail, Queen of Heaven. Ave Domina Angelorum, that is, Hail, Queen of the Angels, or Lady of the Angels. It's literally lady, but not just any lady, but you can see it's capitalized there. It's the feminine version of Dominus, that is Lord. So the Lord and the Lady. Hail, Lady of the Angels. Salve radix, greetings, root, that is the root from which that was still left after our fall, that was still alive and waiting for the right time to sprout forth the tree of our salvation, the true tree of life. So she is that root of our humanity. Salve porta, that is greetings, door or gateway or port. Ex qua mundo lux est orta, that is through whom the light has arisen for the world. So the idea is ex means through, but mostly out of, right? It's something that comes forth from within, and that is Jesus came forth from within her to shine the great light upon this dark world as the sun rising upon the world for us. Gaude Virgo gloriosa, that is, rejoice, O glorious Virgin. Super omnes speciosa, beautiful above all. Vale, O valde decora, farewell, O exceedingly adorned one. So decora is beautiful, again, similar to speciosa, but decora is more the sense of decorated, that is, adorned with great virtues and all the glory that God has given her. Et pro nobis Christum exora, and plead to Christ on our behalf. And now pronouncing it. I'll try to say a phrase and you can repeat after me. Ave Regina Caelorum. Ave Domina Angelorum. Salve radix, salve porta. Ex qua mundo lux est orta. Gaude Virgo gloriosa. Super omnes speciosa. Vale, o valde decora. Et pro nobis Christum exora. Now let's sing it. Ave Regina Caelorum, Ave Domina Angelorum, Salve radix, salve porta, ex qua mundo lux est orta, Gaude Virgo gloriosa, super omnes speciosa.
wings,